Well, it's been raining for a while. And cold. And so everyone is extra hungry at feeding time. I'm also a little late on feeding. These are the snowblower ducklings. Here. There should be 19 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Really? I can't count this many ducks. My ducks are not in a row. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. So all the snowblower ducklings are there. Over here, we have Mama Cayuga, and unfortunately, some of her babies are here being stuck. I mean, they can walk through this stuff. They're just not interested in following her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So all her babies are still accounted for. They have not been eaten by ravens or crows, which is very good. Oh, here they come through the fence. You guys are getting big. Can you go through there? Can you go through? Do you need help? What if I step back? She's sure calling them. Oh, there, one got through. And is the last one gonna make it? Cat, if you eat a bird, so help me God, you are stuck in the house for like a week. So far, they haven't caught any baby birds. They know that voles are good. They have brought in songbirds a couple times, but I was not impressed. And I think they tend to be, the mama ducks tend to be protective enough. And in there is Anconas. I am down to 14. I started with 18 because of whatever issue it is. That I don't think it's botulism. I don't think it's lack of niacin. I've tried both supplementing for both of those. They're in a pretty dry place. I don't know. There's something going on with them. And I guess I'm selecting against it. I will end up with birds that do not, the line that does not die from whatever it is. That's how it works. Although ideally, like, they live out their lives and you just don't breed them. It's not always possible. Yeah, very loud and exciting today. There are the two youngest goslings over there with their two moms and their part-time dad. There they are. Hey guys. Their one mom is very sweet and the other mom is a little bit more, wants me to stay away from her babies a little bit more. Definitely molting. You see, she has not very many feathers on her wings. Oh, there's a lost duck. Oh, that's the one. That one keeps getting lost, stuck in places. They're calling to him. Anyhow, the next youngest gosling is over there, looking like a goose. Hey, hun. And then the two, where are the two? There they are. So the one in front and the one, the third one in the row are the next oldest goslings, the second born. And you can see that they have some of that brown Chinese in them. But I think one of them at least, maybe both of them, have the orange beaks. So they're probably a mix of some sort. Yeah, lots of, and then these are the oldest goslings, who are, at this point, geese, right? Like, look at that. And this is my friend Goose. Chaos at feeding time. I'm gonna fill up the food more because they're so hungry today, but just wanted to get something out there, and all of this chaos exploded. Don't worry, you'll get more food. Oh, there's that one. Oh, honey. Hey, hon. Are you making noises? Are you making noises? You're making girl noises. Oh, that's good. I would like to keep you. I like you a lot. This is the one that keeps getting, like, stuck. And I have to pick her up and carry her back. Yeah. You haven't got your full quack, but you're getting there. Seriously, I'm just going to sit here and watch these geese, except the pigs are hungry. I have a bunch of expired dairy from the grocery store they've been having over the last couple days. And dairy, like liquid, is a lot heavier to carry than grain. So it kind of takes it out of me to bring it to them. But it's really good for them. They really love it. I just have to kind of psych myself up to it with this long work days and this very cold weather that we've been having. When I could just be watching these birds. It's a little patch of fuzz left on his head, eh? Quack, 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 quack. Hey, loner duck. Maybe I need duck names. I'm not very good at duck names. Hi, friend Goose. Hi, friend Goose. I'm seriously just going to stand here forever. Okay, I'm going now. Maybe I'll pick a raspberry first. Give me strength for hauling all of that grain. It is the season of raspberries. I'm contractually obligated to eat raspberries every day. Or if I eat them every second day, I have to eat more raspberries. They're so good. Every community garden should have a raspberry patch. It's super low maintenance. At least in the Pacific Northwest, where berries just like fall out of the sky, basically. They're so good. So good fresh. So not good when they're like imported from Chile. or from the infamous berry laundering what is it, like China sends them to New Zealand, and New Zealand sends them to Chile, and then Chile sends them to Canada. That's, I believe, how the berry laundering works right now. So somewhere along those lines, they get slapped with like the name organic and stuff like that, which is apparently cheaper than just growing organic berries. But anyhow, the 3-inch diet. If you have a community garden, if you have access to a community garden or a little bit of a vacant lot, like stick a couple of raspberry plants in there. Just do it. Oh gosh, they're so cute. Oh, did you see that? He chased the little duck. Oh. Hi, are you going to try and chase me away? That's not very nice. Oh, you have a crooked neck, hun. Crook in your neck. It's probably just the way the crop is sitting. On the front of their neck, birds have a sac that holds their food, and it expands. So if someone has been eating a lot, you can see on the front of their neck is kind of swollen. Geese, actually, it's their whole neck, and you can, when you butcher them, you can use the whole neck and stuff it like sausage. But chickens and ducks have like a smaller sac on the front. And so when it fills up, sometimes it's like slightly sideways or whatever, and it looks a little weird. Are these social dynamics? The gangs of geese driving out the other gangs of geese, shifting around the ducks. The chicken's kind of on the fringes for right now. Oh. Hope you have a good day.